Hey there, it's Matt from Heartland Homestead. You might wonder why we're not in Tulsa. And that wasn't because of Colin. That wasn't because of the car. He thrashed really hard. He got it mostly there. We honestly probably could have taken it. It was actually me. I got some health stuff going on, and it just didn't work out. So anyway, we're going to give you kind of a walk around of where Colin got the car to. Okay, you got Mr. Unsupervised there. He did a whole bunch of work to this. He got the trunk sprayed out. He got it rust converted, put some just white paint that we had. He got this old Nipco, I think it's Nipco or Nimco, a sound abatement mat that I had. It's probably 10 years old. I'm surprised it's still stuck, but I said if it works, he can have it. So he's getting that in. We got this door changed on the passenger side, front and rear. So they look pretty good. Yeah, we don't get the molding anymore for the 770. These came off, I believe, a 550. And they're actually a later year, so some of the bolt holes don't line up. But they are on, they do fit, they do work pretty well. So that's gonna be all right. We got the rest of the floor in. He got it dirty already. He has to vacuum that out. That's another pic of that mat that he's gonna put in. It's just the standard, you know, Nyko. It's just the standard mat he's going to cut out for his rear seats there, get that in. It's not going to do a hell of a lot, but it's going to, you know, get rid of some sound, get rid of some heat. He's happy as can be. He did get a gauge cluster in there, just standard oil, some temp. We're going to get rid of the amp gauge and put a volt. I don't like amps. I don't like running amps through a single point like that. Put a volt gauge on it. Got our door seams pretty well lined up. They're a little high up here, but we can't adjust it out any more than it is. Overall, nothing here. Just did a radiator fix. We had a pinhole right there. Got it epoxied up. It is setting. It's pretty much set. I hope it is. And that was pretty neat. We got it just cleaned off. Put an overflow tank on it. That door is giving us problems. We've tried and tried. We can't get this, these Phillips bolts out. This is what they are right here, guys. They're a big, almost a number 4, but we have a number 3 Phillips on these guys. And we heated them, we oiled them, we cleaned them, we beat on them with an impact, both forward and back, eventually rounded them out, welded nuts on them, can't get them off. I don't know what we're gonna do with this just yet. Maybe just set it on fire. But that's kind of where we're at. Overall, car's coming out pretty nice. He's happy. It starts well. Go ahead, fire it up. See if it'll play. Smooth. You got the exhaust ran. A little louder than I'd like, coming out on the side dump, but you can see there's a smile on his face. Anyway, that's all we have now, folks. So this is Matt, Heartland Homestead, out.